Present for sale at Three Pines Garage. Registration LJ66UWB. 2016 Ford Transit Custom 2.2 TDCi 125 PS low roof DCab limited van. It has done 145,000 miles full service history and 2 owners from new. The van comes with 2 keys, alloys, air conditioning, Bluetooth, CD, cruise control, tow bar, DAB radio, heated windscreen, heated seats, parking sensors. A superb example of a reliable 2.2 Transit Custom Crew van. This Ford has been well maintained, keeping a full service record, and also benefits from being a factory-fitted crew cab with 6 seats, giving you plenty of passenger and storage capacity. A full MOT and full service are included in the sale. Part exchange is considered at trade value. Finance options available and warranty is included. There is no VAT. You can contact us at 07300 300 101 or at 01885488188. Go to threepinesgarage.co.uk now to find up to 100 crew vans, panel vans, and 9-seaters in stock. Open 7 days a week for viewing.